What happens when the love of your life becomes the reason you no longer recognize yourself in the mirror? Is it still love or control disguised as care? Tonight's broken pen comes from Catherine, a young woman who feels like she's slowly losing herself in her relationship. It's another beautiful Tuesday night, and we're coming to you live from MX24 TV right here in East Legon, Accra. Remember, you can join the conversation on all our social media platforms at MX24GH, or you can send your messages via our WhatsApp number 0550-331-511. Of course, my name is Yavita, and tonight with me, he's my colleague. I've had him do some very shady things for me
Should we talk
before.
about it? Let's keep it under wraps. Keep it under wraps.
Of guesting Kobe.
Yes.
Edem. You know the last name? Is
Toussaint.
it Toussaint?
Yeah, to sound in French, but
Yes, that's
Toussaint
what
in
I was
English.
about to say. Because you know, I watched that movie Ocean's 8, and they mentioned it as the Toussaint.
Toussaint.
So I was like, wait. Every time I hear the name,
Wow, name Ghana for you.
Ghana for they will not mention it as Toussaint.
Yeah.
Because it's Toussaint.
Exactly.
You know, yeah, the Ghana for start Toussaint.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you for having
Every
me.
time I'm just swiping you from your work and then getting you in the studio. But I'm happy you're always showing
Glad
up.
to
Thank
be
you
here.
very much.
Glad
Really
to be here.
appreciate it. And now I've got my very own, my brother my brother from another mother. His vibe, his energy is massive. Of course, MC and K.
Hello.
And K, Nana Kwame, and I say, Nana Kojo, and Nana Kwame. I didn't. And so what happened before you shortened it to NK?
SHS.
SHS.
Yes, it's like everyone in school they used to call me Nana Kwame Ajiman.
Yeah.
And I'm who say Ewa.
Ewadru
Ajiman so doors. We just do it NK now.
NK.
I'm
Me
cool
kura
there.
sa o. Nse musa man for me bought a bit na eyi aba o na wa kata
Tabita Kum.
aden na obey sa. Fine girl ma bo me din ache the best you could say, oh nice name, keep it short and simple and go no the kum ne kan hwa ye dey.
Kumuni Munya.
Okay, unya ka tabita say, oh tabita kum.
Yeah, is it always someone called Ras? But unim baby a pozo ni even Ras
Raspozo,
pozo.
Ampa. There are certain names that people always give it that.
Yeah.
That's very true.
Yeah.
But thank you so much for coming today. Now, guys, today's story. You see, I've already given you headline. I'm coming to read the story to you. Are we ready? Dear MX24, my name is Catherine, a 27-year-old woman, and I honestly don't know who I am anymore. I've always loved fashion and expressing myself through my appearance. Bright colors, bold lipsticks, stylish dresses, switching up my hairstyles, I lived for it. It wasn't just about looks, it was how I carried my confidence. People knew me as the vibrant, fearless girl who always lit up a room. Then I met Kwame, a 32-year-old man who swept me off my feet. He was everything I thought I wanted. Caring, protective, and affectionate. At least that's what I believed in the beginning. But slowly, things began to change. He started making small comments. That dress is too short. Or, I don't like you wearing makeup. It attracts unnecessary attention. At first, I thought it was just his way of caring. But now it feels like my choices have turned into his rules. I find myself hiding certain outfits, avoiding makeup, and second-guessing myself every time I stand in front of the mirror. The sad truth is that I feel like I'm losing myself. My confidence has drained away, and I don't even recognize the woman staring back at me. Yet despite everything, I still love him. Oh, I tell myself, maybe he doesn't mean to control me. Maybe he just wants the best for me. But at the same time, I can't shake the feeling that the woman he claims to love is slowly disappearing. Lately, things have escalated. He now has access to my iCloud, reads my messages, and monitors my social media accounts. It's like he's watching my every move, and I feel like I have no privacy or personal space left. Honestly, it's becoming too much. How much more till he says jump and I ask how high? So here I am, torn and confused. Should I stay and try to work things out? Or is this a clear sign that I need to leave before I completely lose myself? If I do stay, how do I even approach this conversation without it turning into a fight? What do I say to make him understand that I just want to feel like myself and that it's not a sin to still have a sense of individuality even when you're with someone? And am I wrong for wanting to dress the way I like while being in a relationship? Please help me. I am tired. Do you know the funniest thing? I was looking at both of you when we were reading the story.
Yeah.
The moment I mentioned he has access to my iCloud, the way
I
you
like,
look through your head back like, now there's a point,
Yeah.
and then there's a level,
Yes.
and it
Yes.
looks like he has crossed the 7 zone.
That's
My man is
yes.
already gone.
He has. Initially, I was thinking maybe he was trying to mark his territory
Yeah.
with the defining how you should look,
Yes.
because I mean, like you were saying earlier, it is your personality, it's my
Yes.
personality you're complementing. So then the iCloud thing, I was like,
I'm
this
like,
is this
once
is
you want
screaming
to-
wants to
insecurity.
control-
Yes,
It's
yes,
giving
yes,
insecurity.
yes.
I know somebody that has been in a situation like that, not necessarily with the iCloud access or anything. So let me give you even before we delve into the conversation, let me give you a little story, and then you tell me what it means. You're dating somebody. So let's say I'm a guy. I'm dating a girl, right? I know who she's dated before I came to date her. And then I spend every single minute of my time searching the internet for the things she has posted about her and her ex, refusing to move on. When she tells me that she's going to an event, my first question is, will your ex be there? If your ex is going to be there, I need a minutes by minutes rundown. Yeah, exactly.
Maybe,
I like that
like,
face. A minutes
How?
by
That's
minutes
so
rundown.
serious. Like, man.
Even when the girl doesn't tell him that maybe I'm going to this event, and maybe 3 days later she tells him, oh, this was the event I went to.
Was he there?
First question, was he there?
Come
And
on.
she says, oh yes, he was there, but I made sure we didn't talk or anything. And then he's like, nah, I've seen some video. You greeted him. I think that greeting, there was something
Oh
in it.
no.
If you were
Let me
here,
sit up for this.
what would you do?
Run away.
Run away!
Yeah.
Exactly.
Because this person can actually kill you.
Exactly.
He doesn't want to prioritize his mental health.
Can you
and he's trying
imagine
to
that?
like.
Can you
yeah.
imagine that this person had to tell the girl when she gets like a gig? She's just like me, by the way. When she gets a gig, he tells her, "I don't think you should take this gig." And then she too. I mean,
As he her
Understanding
manager.
girlfriend.
no. Understanding girlfriend.
Understanding
She
girlfriend.
decides not to also take up the
Yeah.
job.
Be there and be doing that.
Then
and
he now
destroy
told her
career.
that,
Yeah.
oh, don't take the job. Me, the money they will have paid you for that job, I'll give
I'll
it to
pay
you.
Yeah.
you.
No problem. Now she has declined like 4 or 5 jobs.
Oh no.
She came to you to tell you that, oh, I don't have any money. I wanted to get this. Can you help me with
Yeah.
that? All the money I've sent you.
Oh,
you are
God.
buying something.
Oh
Why
God.
you always buying
Oh
something?
God. If you're not going to be
Like-
the
like
angel,
I
don't
thought she was
be
yeah,
the devil.
yeah,
No,
yeah.
just
Like
being
she
a
was
corner.
taking care of herself before you came into
Yes.
the picture. All of a sudden,
Ah.
and every single male friend she has, he assumes she has something to do with it.
Oh no.
I think-
And
the
the
lady
funniest
has
thing is,
to run
those of us
away.
that we are around here, we know the male friends that he's talking about, and we
yeah.
are all like, this person,
We get it.
Yeah.
We understand.
Yeah.
like
So-
somebody like Jason, like this, Jason LA.
Ellie.
I will never see my friend with Jason and assume that they are sleeping together because I know the kind of person Jason is.
Yeah.
Do you get it? And me, I just told her.
It has actually drawn my mind to something. The kind of person he is more or less like the person he sees other men to be.
Exactly.
So therefore he is, I don't know whether to say
you can't-
insecure
Yeah.
or
But you can't
scared.
do
It's
that.
like-
But I think that
okay.
she should sit him down, not only run away. Well, run away, yes, but sit him down and really understand the mindsets, because from what you're explaining, this is some
Oh, and
sick
let me
psychopath.
bust-
No,
and
no,
let me
yes,
bust-
he's not being
Something.
Let me
straight,
bust your bubble.
yeah.
Did you know that this guy is actually, well, I want to say married, but he says he's separated from his wife, but they live in the same house.
And the girl is with him.
Yes.
And then
And
the
then
lady,
he
the
says-
lady too problem.
and
There's a
then-
problem. The lady,
Exactly.
Yeah.
And then
Exactly.
he-
Yeah,
you
yeah,
said
yeah,
if there was someone
yeah,
in your
yeah.
house, But me, if I go for an event, that's
Yeah,
when you want to draw the
oh,
line
no.
and be coming to tell me that.
No, no, no.
It shouldn't
no.
have even reached the point where you go to an event, it becomes a problem. He's living with a lady in the house. Solve that problem before you even
And
think
one
about.
other detail, I know she's going to be pissed when she hears.
Don't
But one
worry.
other detail.
We are helping
There
her.
was a time, at the time she didn't know that he was living with a woman, like his wife was separated or whatever. They were on a video call, and she heard a voice on it. Sharp, your man did the phone like this. Then he cuts it.
Oh,
Hey, you're still with this man?
I just don't even get it. At this
Girl,
point, I don't
pack
get
and
it.
leave.
Yeah. No, she's in love.
Love.
She's in love. She's like, oh,
Now
yeah.
she's finally left.
Oh.
And I've never
You
seen
see?
her happier than this. The last 1 year has, if I see her, I feel bad for her. Because, like, what?
Going through all of this.
Like, I understand there should be tolerance, but this level of
This
tolerance,
level of tolerance means, myself.
I can't.
See,
I know there are certain things I can do when I'm in love, but
What can you
this
do?
is not love. I don't think. Let's
I
not
I-
put it under
I
the
don't-
What
blanket
do you
of
do
love.
when you're in love?
I'm in love anything. So now, with this, with the story we've had and the little that I have shared, when do you think caring, like I care for my partner, I care for, when does caring cross the line into controlling? Is it when you are limiting somebody's fashion, or when you feel like the way this person is telling me to do this is a form of emotional abuse, or maybe they're just telling me because they really care about me, so they want me to be on the right path?
I think that caring, you pass the stage of caring when you compromise my values. For me personally, and I don't want to be in a girl's shoes.
Yeah.
Because I would never be in such shoes, and neither will my family members or my sisters be in such
Not
shoes.
at all.
But like I said, caring extends its boundaries when you compromise my values. So like she was saying at the beginning of her story, she used to dress up, she
Yeah.
used to
Look
lit
her
the room.
finest.
Exactly. And then the guy comes in and then tells you that, well, your lipstick is too much. I mean, it makes me look good, that's why it's too much.
Exactly.
Your dress is short. Well, it's a short because that's
That's
how I
me.
feel comfortable. So I think that your caring for me should not exceed compromising my values. Once it compromises my values,
And
I'm
me,
knocking
it's
them
crazy
out.
to me because isn't it the same things that attracted you to me?
Exactly.
But what if he's trying to
Exactly.
avoid that attraction from other men too?
Are you serious?
No, I
The
understand.
eyes are meant to
Listen,
adore.
Relax.
Yeah,
I get
exactly.
it.
The eyes are meant to
I
adore.
understand everyone here. But this is him. I guess it's like with the eye cloud thing, it's BS.
Yes.
Absolute
Yes.
BS.
Yes.
But when it comes to like dressing, I feel like we have to agree to disagree at a point.
Yes.
What we put out matters. Because maybe I can't just wake up and get a nasty haircut and then go to town with you.
What if it looks good with you or on you?
The thing is, I'm not alone at this point. I'm with someone.
Yes.
So the compromisation should be another thing to look
But
at.
some of the compromises,
doesn't-
It's weird.
anymore.
But no. Nyansa ne nim ne deɛ, we get it. Everything is supposed to make sense in everyone's relationship.
Yes.
Right.
Besides, what I'll stand, what I'll stay with, or what I'll compromise for, you might not do the
Yes.
same. But I think if there's two people involved, it's partnership. So that's like sit down, talk about this, that, and see whether we can do it. That's where tolerance comes in. Can I tolerate this? Can I keep up? If I can't,
Excuse yourself and leave the
I'm about.
relationship.
Yeah,
Exactly.
yeah.
Exactly.
But then I also like. I also feel like these were the things that attracted you to me. There's certain ways that you can tell me, oh, maybe, can you do it this way? But there's a very
Exactly.
respectful way
Yes.
of saying this. I mean, everybody in the entire world knows that I dated somebody, and the person is Islamic, right? There was never any point where he told me that I want you to tie scarf. Even the day where I met his sister, and his sister wears the full thing, the whole,
Yeah,
I
the
mean,
whole
the whole
regalia.
shabab, the whole thing.
Yeah.
And even she told me, you look really beautiful. And mind you, do you know what I was wearing? I was shorts and shirts with sneakers
Right.
and a wig.
right.
Yeah.
And there had never been a point where he had told me that, because he believed that I know when and where and how to dress to certain
right.
places. The next minute I was meeting his other sister, I wore a very nice outfit. I didn't necessarily wear jalabia, but I wore something that is very
Decent.
modest. You understand?
Yeah.
But when we are going to Tidal Rave,
You don't expect me to wear.
He should not expect me to wear jalabia.
Not at all.
Must have made Jimmy.
I don't know
I
why.
in a star skirts.
Right.
Name a crop top.
Right.
Do you get it? And sometimes I just feel like, and it's always the use of, oh, but I care about it. That's what I'm telling you about it.
No.
You don't care
You
about
don't care
me like
about
that.
me. Yeah.
Okay, imagine me too. I
Yeah.
care about it, and I tell you that I want you to do Zagora.
Yes.
Exactly. I
That's
was-
the
I was-
point. Yeah.
I was just about to ask the question that what if it was the other way around and it was the lady complaining about the guy?
Yes.
How
Will
would
you
the
do
guy react? Exactly. How would the
I
guy
tell you to go
react
and shave
to
all
it?
your beard. Will you do it?
No, nah,
Will you do it?
nah,
Because I tell you that
nah.
I don't like men with a lot of beard.
But one thing I know is a lady that has control or a lady that's in charge can actually make a man do whatever he wants.
He
No,
wants.
but you see, she knows how to be in control. She
She's
suggests
she's
it
not
to
dominant.
Yes.
And
Dominant
doesn't
is the
make it
word.
sound
Subtle
like-
She
way to
doesn't-
just
yeah.
Yeah,
tame
she's not
you.
dominant.
See, let me give you an example. Easy. He's decided that in the last 8 months, he's not going to get like the regular haircut where you shave everything down and just the top. I was not in contact with him a lot, but I would see my friends would send me like snaps of him, and now he's left his beard so much. We reconnected about 4 weeks ago, right? And then he came to see me, and the first thing I told him is that you look like you've gained weight. That looks nice, but I don't like this for haircut crowd. You know, you used to look nicer with it. This week when he went to get a haircut, you sent me a picture. Yeah,
Yeah,
shave
shaved
it
it
down.
Bang.
Simple, you
Yeah.
didn't hear me telling him that, oh, this will be it makes you look like some
Exactly.
arm rubber.
Exactly.
Yeah, I don't
exactly.
like.
Exactly.
It's not my place, but there's a way
To say it.
Eh-heh.
And I like how you approached it because you more or less like complimented before you corrected.
Exactly.
And people really do not see, especially
They-
Ghanaian society, they
Oh,
don't see
they
that.
don't know.
They'll tell you
Exactly.
exactly.
Like,
Yeah.
chill.
Yeah.
Oh yes, sir. Oh yeah, John. Oh yeah, John. Yeah.
And every time I tell people that, even in our Christian churches and everything, people do that a lot. Almost a sofu would see a girl or like a lady who works in the night, right? A night angel.
Yeah.
Brings
Night
her to
angel.
the church. Yeah, night angel. Brings her to the church and is talking to her nicely. They make her leader. Now I mean who was dancing no so last week no. Oh yeah, then was sorry ha.
True.
No be phone na what
I'm a night service personnel. NSPs. Yeah.
Because like there's so many ways that you can talk to
can,
somebody,
yeah.
and then
Yeah.
you don't even have to say it. They themselves will start making certain
Understand.
changes to
Oh
themselves.
yeah.
But you are coming to guilt trip me. You are coming to gaslight. It's like you are not
Forget it.
serious. People
Forget
don't
it.
know how to do that.
Yeah.
Okay, should you ever have to change who you are to keep love?
I can do certain things, but change who I am
Yes.
totally.
You can alter certain things,
Yeah,
but
I
change
can
you.
touch a little things like maybe I don't know what can I change. No, I can change
You
something,
can't.
or maybe with the way maybe I handle conversations with you. Maybe you want me
Yes.
to be
Yes.
this. I can do it, but that and get out. Be singing in a bathroom cannot be changed. There are some things that
That's
it's
yes.
me.
I always
Right.
say this. I'm a very loud person, but I know when and where to be
be
loud.
loud.
But sometimes I'm very quiet. People ask me, "Are you sick?
okay?"
Are you okay?" Do you understand? If you are dating me and come and tell me that you don't like my loud personality, but it's the loud personality that made
That
you
brings
come
the
and like
money.
me.
We'll go
So
for you.
imagine you come home and then I'm just sitting there. David, are you okay? Yes. Did you go to work? Yes. I was like, it was fine. You like I said, you start losing
Right.
that attraction you have for me because it's my bubbly nature. If you're saying that maybe the way I relate with guys because of the work I do is something that you want me to tone down. Maybe when I go to events, I'm hugging guys, I'm climbing them, I'm you want me to
Reduce
check
it.
the way in respect to the relationship. I can do that.
Makes sense.
That one day it's a change that
Yeah,
anybody,
we can-
any normal human being
Well,
should
I'll beg
understand.
to disagree.
Eh.
I beg to disagree.
Tell
I,
me
I
why.
can't.
Kasa.
It's not even I can't. I will not change. No, why should I
Why
change?
should I change?
Exactly, because like you said earlier, it was me that attracted me to you.
Yes.
And if you love me, which me I don't like using the word love. I say it's like. I'm attracted to you and I like you. I
I
don't
like you.
love you because love, the word love. Hey,
Love
I
is
know
a
what
good
Jesus
word.
Christ
too.
did. No, exactly. So, if you like me or you are attracted to me, you would accept me as I am.
Yeah.
Relationships or whatever ships it is a process, and along the line we find each other. So places where I am weak, I hope that you would be strong,
Yeah.
and we complement each other. You don't expect me to change necessarily to
Exactly.
suit who you want me to be. That is not me. I won't be comfortable.
Imagine
I will not.
you are dating me. You know the type of person I am in public setting because my job is actually the public.
Yeah.
Like it's my ability to connect with the
Yeah.
public. Then you tell me that when I go to the public, I should.
Tame
Can you
down
please
a little
tone
bit.
down?
I think that
I should tone down what?
people,
I don't know.
right.
I should tone down what? What should I tone down?
Right.
Yeah.
I don't understand.
I do milk no. I do milk no.
I don't-
Right.
Next.
I think that people who expect others to change in relationships actually do not understand or do not know themselves.
Yes.
Because if you know yourself, imagine I know me and I'm asking someone to change. And if the person asks me, am I willing to change?
To change.
That is the question. You're
That
telling
down
people
to
to
me,
change.
I can't.
It's not even I can't, my brother.
understand
I
you,
will
but
not.
Here lies the case.
I
where
will just not change.
These are two people moving something.
That's why I
right?
feel like if you're dating somebody, you should date somebody that moves in the same
Exactly.
line as you.
Fire and fire cannot
Eh?
ever be together. That is going to be an explosion.
Fire
There's
and
fire
water.
and water.
When you're down, fire will fire you up. When fire too is firing too much, you can
Yeah,
at least
yeah.
wash him down small. So me, I always say that. Imagine you've gone to date somebody whose ex is a scammer, and you're coming to complain that she likes money. Hey, don't do that to yourself, oh.
Run away.
You know what? Look for
Run
something
away?
clear.
Run away.
Oh.
Don't be what they don't
Wait.
do that though. If you were to start a conversation, if
Hmm.
you were this woman, and you were supposed to start a conversation with your boyfriend, how do you start the conversation without it spiraling into something? Because I feel like the man is going to be very defensive.
Oh, yeah,
Very
yeah,
abusive.
Yes.
Abusive.
Because I know very well the first question is going to be like, if you're doing the big things for me, why can't you do these small things for me?
Right.
That sense statement, gaslighting is
The little things. The little
Hey!
things.
Don't make that mistake.
How do you start a conversation like this?
Yeah.
Well, it's going to be really tough because building up to this point, I mean, he said, I try to be careful, like you said.
Yeah.
But I think that first of all, you need to sit him down, understand why he wants you to
iCloud
do what.
access.
Exactly.
Hey.
I know what you.
Papa,
You see,
Like, no.
I can't do
I
it.
think
Yeah.
There's
all-
some things, it's okay. Let it stay on the
Right.
floor. I beg you.
What's the point in
'Cause
I
like-
think that
someone's iCloud?
this is from either a previous relationship the man has been in.
Yeah.
He has
yeah.
trust issues. He
Yeah.
has
Yes, yes.
insecurities.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So to reach this point, meaning that one, the man doesn't trust you.
Yes.
To have access to your phone, even your iCloud.
If you don't trust me, why are we dating? Just
Think
leave
it's
me
serious.
alone.
Yeah.
I think that you should first of all understand him, get to understand him, babes. What's up? Why I'm speaking like a guy. Why or just find a funny way to make it work. Why do you want me to reduce the amount of lipstick
Yeah.
lips? What do you call
Lipstick.
it? Lipstick I wear or put on the makeup. Why would you want me to be in a long
He
dress?
should give
And probably understand him. Maybe like you were saying with your example with Easy, there are certain places you don't wear certain
Yes,
things to.
yes.
So get to understand him. Maybe it's a church you're going to and he feels like what you're wearing is too short. My lady, if you look in the mirror and it's too short, go change that thing.
Yeah,
that is
like,
not the only
I feel
dress
like,
you have.
yeah.
So I think that it goes both ways. Get to first of all understand why he wants you to change and do more or less like an introspection of yourself. Get to analyze and understand that, okay, I'm going here. This is what I want to wear. This is how but it will be hard. More hard than there will be hard.
Me,
It
I
will be
say,
hard.
I go in the only two ways I know. Either I start with a compliment or I start with a joke. Say, hey, Nancy,
But I know
me
sometimes,
make up, yeah.
sometimes jokes.
You go there and say,
Expensive,
so everything I've been telling you, take it as a
Yeah,
joke.
it's a joke. Then it becomes a different conversation, a different
Now you have
problem.
two
problems,
problems.
one lady.
Okay,
Jabbar.
how do you start a conversation like that?
So with me, in relation to the dressing, I would want to say, look, sometimes these short dresses, see their thighs, women in my thighs.
Yeah,
If you attract more boys.
yes.
That's my problem because you're going to attract more people and it's going to create traffic for you. And can you handle it? I'm trying to like stop certain things from coming your way.
Yeah.
I'm trying to handle these things because I'm a man. I know how we act around ladies. Someone would say, "Wallahi, wa ba ko so me." Mashallah. Minya ba ko ha na minya ba ko ha.
And they come together.
Exactly.
King Solomon, Nana.
And men are not satisfied with
One.
one lady. So the thing is,
Wait. Some men.
some men.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
So the thing is, if the way you dress is going to expose you to like someone will say honey men. Accra boys are very thirsty.
They wake up honey.
Yeah, thirsty boys.
But
So
see, this is where we are. I'm sorry to catch you, but this is one thing we are all forgetting. If
Yeah.
it makes her look like she said, those are the things that make
Make her
her
feel-
okay.
it's good to have a conversation.
Let the man understand you, my sister. If he doesn't understand you, pack your things and go.
I
There's
get
nothing
it,
to do in the man's
but
house.
we have to like agree to disagree.
Yeah.
I'm not supposed to impose that on you.
Yeah, but
Right.
in this case, he's imposing.
That's
imposing.
the problem. But with me, I'd like to let you know that look, with what you are wearing,
Doesn't say well with you.
yes,
Yeah, I honestly
I'm
feel like the
pleading
reason
you.
why she's even writing this is because maybe even the way he communicates the thing
It's a problem.
is a problem. And in you see, communication is very important. Sometimes when you're saying something and the other person is not receiving it as well, you need to take a break, relax, and come back again. And so we're going for a short commercial break. We'll be right back. Welcome back, guys. Now, let me tell you something. The Cowbell Coffee with You every moment promo is still on. And by popular request, we have extended it to the 30th of September 2025. You asked and we listened, guys. So far, our lucky winners across the country have won amazing prizes ranging from all expense trip to Cape Town, cash prizes from 1,000 Ghana cedis to 20,000 Ghana cedis, smart TVs and smartphones. People have won subscriptions to Netflix, Spotify, Uber, branded souvenirs, products, so much more. You could also win this and many more. And Charlie, we are not even done yet. Remember the grand prize? The Suzuki Jimmy SUV is still up for grabs, guys. Getting in is easy. Just buy 10 promo sachets of Cowbell Coffee. Send the unique code inside to *713 *27 hash or scan the QR code in the sachet to enter on the microsite. Remember, every 10 sachet equal 1 entry, and 1 entry equals 1 chance to win. So don't let this extended chance pass you by. Look sharp and win big. Follow at cowbellcoffee.gh on socials for updates. Cowbell Coffee with you every moment. I love Cowbell Coffee. The last time I used it for my pancake because the pancake was not as sweet as I wanted, so I added it. As for me, dear, yeah, don't play. Oh. Yeah, I don't joke with things that I like. But guys, back to our conversation. NK,
Yeah.
do you think that our guy can he really love our lady?
No. No.
This is not
Because
love.
it looks like he can't accept her for who she is.
Yes.
She's already mentioned that it's the makeup, her dressing. But this uncle go and see the dress is not even some short
Short.
dress. So maybe she just likes to feel good. You know, some people, when you're inviting them to places, you can't even tell them to dress simple. Because
Yeah.
no matter what,
They
they will still
overlook.
show up and show out. You think he loves her, that's why.
No. This is not love. This is like, this is intimidation. It's not. Obviously, say intimidate you.
Oh yeah.
Intimidating to her, like, intimidate
Intimidate
you.
you.
That's right.
Like that's too tough. To an
Yeah.
extent, they're asking for iCloud passwords. And
But you want her iCloud access for what? Like what is
Like
there
I said,
for you to
it's,
see?
it's a broken part of him.
Yeah.
He's seeking to. This is not closure because it
No,
doesn't make
this one
sense to
is
be
like-
closure. This is.
I think is a broken part of him that he feels the only way he can control it is if he can
He has
control like
access
a
to
it.
personified control
Yeah.
for it because
Yeah.
Hey.
True.
Yeah.
and you see it gives me the vibes of like the millennial versus generation Z differences. Our parents at that time, who are you going to tell that you have mental health problems? They will look at you like
Are you
Are
okay?
you serious?
Yeah.
Say, you are depressed.
You told your name out. You thought I did show. I
Yeah.
don't
Who
know.
they pocket one go to chance and say you are depressed. But you see, with our generation or this generation, when you tell somebody you are depressed, it's easy for at least 5 out of 10 people to tell you, okay, what do you want? How
Yeah.
can we help you?
Yeah.
And because our parents or that's the previous generation before us were not able to voice their concerns, voice their displeasures, they expect us to be put in that same box. But unlike us, us there, now President Krabbe
New
now what
generation.
you know, and I feel like if you bring it to this lady's story, that's kind of like the thing that is happening. I feel like he's so broken. Somebody did it to him.
To him,
but
yeah.
So
that
he
makes
feels
sense.
it is fine to
Yeah,
do it
to
to
do it to
another
somebody.
person. But you can't live life
and
like
and,
that.
and I for the first time I want to be in that guy's mind and get to feel what he thinks
yes.
anytime he does that to the lady.
Me, I feel like somebody that is doing this, he even has somebody he's talking to.
Oh,
He has a
yes.
girlfriend
Exactly.
somewhere.
That's
And
the
by this
main
time, wait,
reason.
see that girl that
This
he's
is
talking
not-
to, she wears the shortest of all skirts with the greatest makeup looks, with the wig that looks like Jezebel from hell. But you are here coming to tell somebody
I think that if this lady wants this whatever ship it is, because this is not a relationship.
Whatever.
This is a situationship.
this is a manipulation ship.
Exactly. This is a manipulation
This one
ship.
this one is Titanic because the
Exactly.
ship is
Yeah,
wrecking.
It's wrecked. It's not wrecking. It's wrecked. I think that if whatever thing they have going on, if she wants it to work, I think that another thing she should also do is look at people or ladies around him. How do they look? How
Yeah.
do they dress? Do they fit the woman he wants me to look like? Does his sister dress like that?
Yes.
Because then you understand that okay, it is something from home.
Yeah.
Then it could be like a
I can give you
genuine
some
concern.
small understanding there.
No,
But
no,
if
you
Mika,
can't
Mika,
force
your
anyone
sister
into
is not
making
Holy
sense.
Mary,
Eh?
your girlfriend you dated before is
Is-
better than bad,
eh.
but you expect it to be Magajia, madam, brother.
Say my God, yeah.
Like, no, because
going.
sometimes the way people act, he just wants control. Like I feel like
And
Nah,
and
Like
it has
Clara says saying-
he has actually drawn my mind to something that there are men like that.
Yes.
there
They
are
are
men
men
like
like
that.
that.
There
Yes.
are.
So probably those are his temperaments. And like I said, if you really understand whomever you are with, it helps.
Yeah.
If you understand that this man is a controlling man,
You can make your decision. Master, I'm
huh,
not doing again.
I'm not doing it to the point where he has all these things. Then at the latter part of your letter, you say, "I still love him." Hey,
True love. True
Gary
love.
now we're in a diary and wow.
Because
Stop chewing the Gary.
Gary,
It doesn't help because how can you do? How,
right now
and
she's
you
just
still
a
love him?
shell of herself.
Yeah,
Exactly.
Imagine
she's
just
loving
being at
herself,
home waiting
yeah,
for
yeah,
orders
yeah.
from your boss. This is military relationship.
And
If
imagine
it's a
what her
job,
friends
it's a
are
job.
also thinking. What your friends are. The
Eh?
Akosha we used to know. What's her name
That's
again?
the thing. Everybody. That's the
and
thing.
she's so calm,
That
like-
is the thing.
Crazy.
Because when things like this happen, everybody is just going to be, oh, Catherine, this is not the Catherine.
What
that we
exactly,
know."
Catherine? What happened to? She even has a
But
nice
even
name.
with that guy,
Catherine.
I don't understand him in a sense that if a lady decides to go off hook, no matter who you be,
she was
What
she go
she
do
go
am.
do, Anna, she go do.
so why wouldn't you just prioritize your mental health? Be in your space. If you want to continue, fine, but don't impose
Probably
your will on anyone.
even if I want to impose stuff, there's a way I'll tell you that yo babes, Charlie, the lipstick no is too much. Could
Yes.
you reduce it or could you change
Cafe
the
did
color?
said something.
Make it make it funny,
Instead of
like you
red
said.
lipstick, for lip gloss.
The lip gloss,
You see the way ladies have this gloss that they do, and they put this black.
the
on
black
it.
thing.
Hey, okay. Baby, I went to
He's exposing himself.
Oh no, I'm okay, I'm fine. One thing, there was this thing Kavudi says. Kavudi says you can make anyone do whatever you want the
Yes,
person to
you
do,
can make
depending on
anybody
how
do
you make
How
the
you
person
tell them,
feel.
yeah.
Exactly. Exactly.
Make the person feel okay before you drop the
Me,
bomb or
every time we
anything.
talk about this type of thing, and I've told my friend before, I always tell her, every time I tell people that Fast and Furious, the movie franchise, is my favorite movie. And people say, oh, why? Is it because you like Vin Diesel or Dwayne Johnson? And I say, no. Look, from Fast and Furious 1 to 4, right? There's Paul Walker, who is working with the DSS, and he's
Right.
actually supposed to come and arrest these people because they are thieves. But notice how he gets in through the sister just by befriending her. Now she falls in love with him. And she's able to actually tell her brother that, okay, this person is a DSS agent, but I don't want you to kill him. Can we come to some compromise there?
Right.
Sometimes it's not by giddy giddy. You went with giddy giddy, kill you.
Conversation.
But Yeah.
You go and do, they will kill you.
Facts.
Just find a way. Like there's so many other ways. Like if
The thing is communication.
people don't know.
It
People
is
don't
it
know how
is
to
it is
communicate.
it is the essential. It is the sugar in the tea of a relationship. If
Yeah.
no,
Very small.
for real,
Yeah.
for real.
That is the
Yeah.
In the tea of a relationship.
Shakespeare. But
Well, Shakespeare is actually one of the authors I love to
Oh,
read
gee.
about.
Oh, the
Yeah.
There you go.
narrative.
Yeah.
That's why. We
but
understand.
communication is very, very essential. It's not important, it is not vital, it is essential in every relationship. And from Catherine's story, you mentioned something that it's either the guy is communicating and Catherine is not receiving the
Yeah.
communication, or Catherine is also communicating but he's not receiving it.
yeah.
What if the guy is not Catherine's ideal man, but she's also dressing like that to get him in the
Yes.
mood? Or what if the lady is not Catherine's ideal woman? The guy has a very a certain
an
image
idea,
of,
yeah.
of who a woman he wants to be with should look
look
like.
like.
And it's not Catherine. These are two communications going both ways, but not at each other. They are both going in diverse ways and hoping to meet at the same point. And communication would solve the problem.
I feel like communication would have solved this thing even
But
the first time
but
it
but
happened.
The damage has already been
but
done. I
yes,
don't think,
but after communicating and he is not willing to accept the
how long
communication.
can you keep up?
This is not love. Oh.
Yeah.
This is
no,
control.
it doesn't look like love to me.
And my sister, book
Flee.
book the latest boat. 100 cities. You
Johnny,
it's
Johnny.
better because
Nothing beats a Jet 2 holiday.
Exactly.
And right now you can save 50
£50 per person, or save then for a family of four. But see, because right now it looks like, oh, he's saying it, you are not doing it, you are not doing it. It gets to a point where he throws something at you,
Yeah.
and then it continues to become an abusive situation or
Yes,
whatever it is.
yes.
And then when it comes to your mind that, oh, I used to love him or I loved him,
Oh.
it is too late to run.
See,
My sister,
I'm
run
happy
before it
you
reaches
mentioned
that.
this. There's a story of a lady, Gladys Rickard.
Okay.
She was dating a guy. Exact explanation of what the story is telling
Catherine.
us. He was telling her how to do her hair, and then she was a person that her parents immigrated to the US. So in her bid to, belong, she also had to learn the American culture, and we know what the American culture is. They're very liberal. They have the freedom to dress the way they want, the way they want to put their hair up and everything. Now she was dating this guy, and he was a control freak. Like she can
Right.
be at work, and then he will show up at work asking her, this guy that came to buy the sandwich, I didn't like the way when he was taking the sandwich, he touched you in some way, and then she decided to break things off. I don't know how she did the breaking of things off, but it looked like the guy was still stalking her, and she was also willing to meet up with him and then try to allay him and be like, oh yeah, but we had to break up because what you want is not what I want. Can you believe he shot her on her wedding day? She was getting married to somebody. He walked in, and everybody in her family feels like they let her down because everybody saw him as he was entering.
Right.
And then he said, oh, he just wanted to come and say goodbye to her. On her wedding day is when you want to come and say goodbye. He walked in, just 3 shots into her chest, killed her, and then he walked,
Man,
killed
that's
her.
brutal.
And I always say this, see, it's better for you to leave after 1 year than to stay for like 8 years.
1 year mpo. Yeah,
year,
yeah,
sorry,
you
so
said
like-
some
so-
more.
so
6
1 year-
months.
6
I have a
months is
friend.
too much.
I have a friend that does
Wow.
6 months
Nigeria.
relationship.
Hey.
Yes. He would tell you that, see, this thing we are doing it for 6 months. If it works, fine. If it doesn't work,
Then
we move
on to
on.
the next.
And it's so real. Currently, he's dating someone and he says that, well, they've passed the 6 months relationship. This is looking good, so he's giving the person 1 year.
Allah.
You know, the connect next year. I was like, hey, Kwame.
Because Jale.
Why should it be Kwame?
Hey, Nana,
Even in the story, it's Kwame. I'm like,
Yeah.
no, it's not Kwame.
Kwame's are promiscuous.
Because I'm a
Red
very
banner.
calm guy. Oh,
red banner.
flag.
You boy, you are red banner.
Billboard.
We have to
Dear Kwame's.
because I don't. But let's think about. Assuming she wants to, because it sounds like she wants to stay.
It's not even assuming. She does want to stay because
Yeah.
I still love him.
So if she stays, what do you think are the long term? Let me start with Nki. What do
Long
you think
term.
are the long term risks for the long term risk to her
At
confidence
this
and her
point,
mental health?
her life is even on the line.
True.
I can imagine.
True.
Yes, and one thing she has to know is the brain works different from the heart. The heart might want something, but the brain should tell you this is not good
It's
for
not
me.
good.
So you
Yeah.
should know when to like get the cards right. So I think with the way the guy is behaving, I don't know whether she wants to conform or compromise for the guy.
And she wants to do that. People, nobody should touch him. I can't. Let me talk to him. When he listens to my voice, it's okay.
Yeah, but
Oh,
boy,
no.
you say, "Man, your boy is back on, you know."
Oh, yeah,
You know.
okay.
Sometimes when I see those things, it's so
Yeah.
funny to me. Like maybe there's a fight going on, and the girlfriend will go,
Kwame,
"You people
Kwame,
should start.
Kwame.
Look at me.
Kwame,
Look at me.
yeah.
Look at me. It's me. It's me. It's me. It's me. You can do this.
Yes.
Breathe in.
Yeah, who are some back on? You will know whether you breathe in or you tell him to breathe in.
Yeah.
That's the thing.
Yeah.
But okay.
So I think she should just like excuse herself. At this point, with me, if I be in bro, I would tell her and say no. I have to tell you,
Yeah.
I wouldn't want you to be with this person
Yeah.
because marriage goes a very long way, and you guys are not just doing this for fun.
For fun.
There's a goal, and marriage is like a lifetime thing. So can you keep
Marriage
up?
there. Can you keep up?
Can you
Right.
keep up? That's the question I'll be asking.
We're talking 30, 40 years. So.
People have been married for 70. I know a couple that 70 years. I'm like,
And marriage is the only occupation that you get a certificate before you start.
Yeah.
So you can imagine. No fail, no pass, no excellence.
Nothing.
Yeah, they are more
Can you keep up? And with me, I think she can't. Is
Now,
that-
says what's that natural letter?
I know,
Hey,
right?
Cloud. Me van mount. And I don't know.
I can't give you. I won't give you.
It will not even reach the point where you get to ask.
You get.
You don't get to ask certain things. Yeah, I'm yours.
Like
we
there
are
are
in
different
this,
things
but
where I'm dating you and then you can just give me your
your
phone.
phone,
To do something.
uh-huh.
That one day.
Don't go to my messages.
But
To
hey,
maintain as a human being, to maintain
to maintain
sanity.
your own sanity.
Yes.
Never
True.
go through anybody's
True.
messages though.
True.
No, I could search it.
But why?
Meets.
What
Why?
do you want?
Why would you
You
even
go
want
to-
to? Why would you even want to go through messages?
Hey, don't do
Yeah,
that
yeah.
mistake, go.
Really?
Read messages. If you read hey, nyame peli no come for you go read. And I'm saying this on experience. No, go
right.
read messages, oh.
Oh, but
Okay.
I'm crying. Every trade down Kwame. To Kwame for the.
Oh.
I can give you my phone. Just go to her.
No, go
Really?
read messages, oh.
Okay.
They go delete them. They give you the phone, say, oh, if you want to read, you
Oh,
can
don't
read.
delete it though.
Hey,
Oh. You
But
go
I
see
forgot-
oh. But I don't do anything bad though. But
Exactly.
There's an
Okay.
explanation. So yeah. Nothing
I'll be
serious.
fine. I'll be fine if I give you my phone.
I
I'll
don't
be
I don't
fine.
mind.
The only thing I'll be concerned about is maybe my Momo pin and then my ATM
Uh-huh.
password. That one, if you ask
Me,
me,
I always
yeah.
tell people that.
Why do you want my
every time
ATM
people
password?
are holding my phones. My every time I can be shooting and I give you my phone. No,
Yeah.
Please record me. For
Yeah, good thing.
You want to read? Go and read. And I mean, what is on that phone? And
It's nothing.
there are certain intimate conversations I never have them on phone.
Exactly.
That's one thing
That is
I will
another thing I
never
also
have,
do.
See, no, even if me and you we have it face to face, and you ask me about it on WhatsApp, I have a way of thwarting the conversation. Let's just
Right.
continue.
Yeah,
Me
yeah.
met no phone. So
Screenshot on.
me met no phone. So
Exactly.
me and me keep it. Me want messages from 2018 in a.
Oh, I didn't.
Hey, me my WhatsApp message. I still have messages from 2018. Now that should be me. So people can say me can say. What was that thing you were telling me? So, oh, yes, honey, please look at it.
Read it.
Then maybe he's searching for the keyword. Maybe it was meat. Then when I search meat, then he sees, can you meet me at? Then he starts asking questions.
Right.
What do you hear?
Right.
Let's talk. Yeah, I think that's better.
Me, I always tell people I don't like text messages.
True.
Call me. Because some people too, you might not necessarily be doing anything bad, but they will take your phone and go through certain messages. You have brands you're dealing with, businesses you're doing. Then they'll go and
Compromise
turn
it.
it into
Tapping,
something
yeah,
else.
I get it, yeah.
I mean, I always say this. When I was back in 2017, I got a gig with, I almost got a gig with Kwame Eugene. Either 2017 or 2018 or, at that time now he had gone to Links Fresh.
Right.
And I was applying to be his PA. And then he asked me, what do I do? I said, I was a journalism student. I do this. And then he was like, oh, looks good. Then a friend of mine came to visit me in the hostel, and I was showing him
The
this one.
messages.
Did you know that the guy, I didn't even know that the guy was a model with links, and he went to tell Kwame Eugene that he shouldn't take me.
Because
I
of
was
why?
there now, and then Kwame sent me a message. Hello, how are you doing? So I was happy because I thought he was coming to tell me that I should come to work,
Right.
I should start to work. And then he was like, oh, he's done his own investigation. He's realized that since I'm in school, I might not be able to carry the work.
That's good.
I said my whole body
Boys
was
go
shaking like this, and I was like,
Pour me
this
water.
thing-
Pour me
what,
water.
what's going on? And so, and me, one thing about me, if I hear something, me I
You
want to
find
investigate and
out.
find out how.
Mm.
So I went back and then I texted him back that, oh, I completely understand why. But when he says investigation, what does he mean? Because I don't do anything. But then he was like, oh, this person, so and so. Because he also works with LinkedIn.
Right.
And I called my friend and said, now what son I was here. And then he was like, the day that I gave him the phone and he was seeing the
Did they
messages,
ask for your
he just-
help?
He just wanted to he wants to
I did not.
protect me
I
from the
didn't ask.
entertainment in that Mabusa of protection.
I didn't ask.
Have I come to you to beg you for protection?
Unsolicited.
And the irony of that situation is, at the time he had invited me to his church. It was one of those
Brother in Christ.
Asori Airport City.
Oh.
CEYC.
Yes, he had invited me there. I loved the service. And when we closed, he told me we should pass by his house because he drove at the time. I mean, I'm a student at the time. We should pass by his house before he drops me off at my hostel. And when we passed by, he attempted to touch me in a weird way. And I was like, yo, we've been friends for like 2 years. Where is this coming from? And plus, we just closed from church. Look, we literally just closed from church. What are you doing? It's a who before until I say, no problem. What do you find?
Okay.
Later on, I got in touch. Just like last year, Richie himself got in touch with me to do some work for him, and I saw him then. I'm saying, hey, Onyanye, that's the saying. So he's okay. I'm saying, are you still a model? So I've started my own fashion, and I'm saying, fashion business no. Because of that thing. That thing, it pained me.
Exactly. Because if we are friends, at least if he had a conversation with you that, oh yeah, I think that because you're in school, maybe finish school or come on holidays and something, at least I'll be prepared for Kwame you just message. But like you said, you're expecting that he tells you something.
Our messages were very positive. Like Kwame was asking me, what have I done? At that time, I was doing only red carpets. So it was, I sent him videos and pictures. Now I say, I didn't know. I'm so, what do you mean? And that was it. That was the end of the friendship because I don't know what else you're capable of doing. Do you understand? And imagine somebody like this. What a penny man, pinimpono no. And then the penny one say, touching me.
Penny is different.
Penny is different. So imagine I was dating this person. Now, me and dating no what a juma mammy. And he started the end of woo. 70 years, me sure when I'm saying school, no, because that was the kind of vibe. And see him 2 years, been Jimmy and sister. Well, mommy up way punch back one. When they asked me, I said I use my head to hit.
Body no Air Jones.
Oh, a body baby. Oh, a body baby. Oh, Maza. So we have some comments on this story, and I want to read some of them. Eagles Ireland says, leave, please. You guys are just not compatible, and that's a serious incompatibility there. Find someone who loves you for who you are. Confident. Then sex says, my sister, leave that boy. You can't change because of a boy. If he loves you like he claims, he must just accept you as you are, not change you. Focus on you and leave that boy. Period. Realist 99 said, oh, Abigail, so you brought me to Broken Pen that I'm a bad person. We'll see. Clap for yourself. Doysel says, this isn't much of a problem if both of you truly love each other. Find time and space to discuss issues. The question of how you would approach it, go on a date. Ask him in plain terms how he wants his woman to dress. Let him be very specific and expressive. Listen, not hear. Listen to him, not to respond but to understand. Then have him listen to you as well. People saying leave, run, these are not solutions to issues. He could be suffering from trauma. Our responses to issues shouldn't be flight always. If talks do not work, if you cannot reach an amicable solution, then of course, by all means, both parties can move on. Protection shouldn't be controlling. Controlling shouldn't be seen as a protective act either. Do what is best for you and your future.
With this comment, I have
You see the song, Why is the World So Wicked? Why is this
Why?
comment so wicked?
You want them to die before that go away.
Go on a date. The thing because they don't agree on what you wear before you even go out of the house.
Where he will listen or you should
Yeah,
because if he really wanted to listen, it wouldn't get to the point where he wants access. He has the audacity to ask you access to your iCloud.
Really?
Hey, That's an
Sega.
iCloud. That is a who updates you.
He didn't ask for anything, anything in this world.
Eh?
ATM password.
What you
iCloud.
want?
iCloud. Say I want to open your messages and read it.
Oh.
Pictures. And you see one thing about iCloud now with the passkey thing. Once somebody has access to iCloud, they can actually log into your Instagram. All they have to do is to enter the passkey. Just on
Oh, you're very okay.
Facebook.
But the thing is, you want to see what? And if you see what you want to see, then what?
Then what? Honestly.
Then what? You break up. Master, the thing Ankasa you are doing is
Yeah,
leading to
breaking
breaking
up,
up.
eh.
Exactly.
So
So what,
shy.
what do you want?
He wants
Crashing
satisfaction.
down.
Is that his soul?
That is rather going to break you. I mean, to me, if it's me, it's going to
Me, I
because
feel like if he sees what he wants to see, he will kill her.
Eh.
then it's not love.
No, at this point,
Then
this
it's
one
not
is
love.
Now you're going to love me like this, then my friend, come let me go, you know. Because at this point, it's not love.
Not at all.
I have a couple of Joseph AJ Yabwa said, I'm not being a fan of makeup. But it's not a bad thing if it was made clear from the start of the relationship. But reading messages and all that is a no-no. Just dip fast, girl. You're still young, and per what you're saying, you look good. Just leave before it gets worse. But won't he see this too since he reads your messages?
Yeah.
Ah.
By this time, I really hope, Catherine, you are really watching us and you are okay. Because
Eh,
the way
if
he has
not-
access to everything.
If not, start running now.
Eh, because-
Start it now. Kope police station be not that.
And what I still love him?
Hey,
hey,
Mommy has
see?
said, oh, more.
hey.
He go read this too. Since you say he has access to your social media account, though, leave him, I beg. Please leave. It's a red flag. This one is
Red flag? Red
This one-
billboard.
With the red canopy. Or the canopy, as you say. And all sure.
Hey.
Me, there's
guy's
certain
not
things
correct.
that this one nobody needs to come and tell you that what the person is doing is controlling.
Does he need a mental health check?
Yes, I think so.
Because if we're,
it
if we're looking at it from the POV of maybe he's broken, he's gone through some traumatic experience, then I think he needs help.
He needs help.
He
in
does.
himself. He
Then
needs
it comes
help.
back
He
to
does.
society and how men are supposed to look strong. I know this is about Catherine, but let's also play devil's advocate and
Yeah.
be in the guy's shoes. What about him trying to seek help, but society is putting up this figure of a man that is not supposed to
Yes.
seek help, and the only way
Yeah.
he can seek help is if he heals himself
Yes.
by doing what
By
he's
acting
doing.
strong and look.
Exactly, and a Ghanaian man, I dare say an African man is trained to be controlling.
Exactly. Exactly. Look, imagine you meet a friend. No, any random person tells you that they are in therapy here in Ghana.
I laugh,
Exactly.
even though I understand what it means, but I mean,
yeah.
I laugh.
People will be like, "Uko therapy."
It means you are mad.
Yeah.
It means you are mad.
Uko baby now uko jiweni.
Yeah.
But
And
you see
one thing I
people-
see is in Ghana, Obadama will last hard on.
Yeah, there's no
And-
hope.
And in the sense that even if you recover, if you say anything funny,
There's
we
no-
laugh for 5 minutes and you laugh for an extra second. Hey, Nadia Naba.
yeah.
If something is very annoying and then if you
Everybody's
just
just frowning about it and you're laughing.
Exactly.
Are you okay?
Like, why are you laughing extra?
Yeah.
What's going on with
Catherine,
you?
yes, sure.
Catherine.
Yeah, don't run mad, cause
Or don't he?
The
Don't
funny
lie.
thing is, we are here feeling for Catherine, but does Catherine feel for herself?
That's what I was
Hey!
about to say. That's Catherine. Hey, those people.
But it's like, go and
don't
check
advise
that
somebody in
They are in
come
bed.
between I and my babe.
Hey, but it's like, go and check. They're in
Okay.
bed with some.
Chilling, but
Yes.
they're looking at us
Hey,
and
God.
laughing like
Selling Dion Marvin
You
Gaye
don't
type
know.
shit, having a good time. Yeah.
Don't play, oh.
Yeah,
But guys,
yeah.
we've gotten to my favorite part of the show. Look into my eyes.
Okay.
I say, look into my It's giving Michael Jackson. Eyes. You need to nominate me for New Discovery of the Year, TGMA. Because this was so
One of
beautiful.
mine.
CGMA.
Yes.
Or female vocalist of the
Oh, sorry,
year.
for
International one.
TGMA, now for me call
Okay.
Grammy.
Grammys, need BET awards and all
One
of
guys
that.
all deserve it. You deserve it.
Like,
Cause,
I
yeah.
look like a winner.
Yeah,
as you can
yeah,
see.
yeah.
Yeah.
Hands
So
of
guys,
applause.
You do.
you're gonna look into your camera and lay a piece of advice for Catherine, and we're really hoping that Catherine listens to us too. We beg. So, Komi, let's start with you.
Dear Catherine, like you wrote, Dear MX24, Dear Catherine, I hope you're okay. 1, 2, try having a conversation with your man. You claim you love him. I'm sorry to burst your bubble. You don't love him. You like him. You are attracted to him. But the question you should ask yourself is he attracted to you? you are, from what you sent us, you are a woman who loves life and life loves you. Do not compromise your life for somebody who doesn't value you. If he values you, he would accept you. If he doesn't accept you, there are many fishes in the sea. Live your life. The right man would knock on your door and you would accept it. This is not love, but you like him. Run. Run.
Okay.
You see that running tempo run where you
Yeah.
Yeah.
jump,
Yeah.
slide, whatever you do, leave. This is slavery. Like it says, love or slave. This is slavery.
Okay.
So yeah, Catherine, one thing I would want to say is you should know when to use your brains and you should know when to use your emotions and intuitions. Honestly, I understand you're in love with this guy, but love sometimes becomes a drug. This drug is really damaging you, but you will need your brain to tell you this is not good for me. So at this point, you need to let your brain start working because clearly you know he's being like not territorial. He's being like controlling, and that's a bad thing. I don't think freedom is expensive, but I think you moving from one place to the other, or with what you wear, or with your privacy, everything should be to yourself. I think no one should actually step in and let you feel that you are not. The thing is, I don't understand why someone should come between you and your privacy. And another thing too is, nothing should come between you and your mental health. It could be your boyfriend, it could be your church, it could be at a point because if you lose it, it's over for you. Your mental health, if you lose it, it's over. Panta is still receiving Pantayama. Na anka fun so at this point, Obadama, you better throw about pool anymore. So if you want to be tied up, continue. But at this point with me, from MX, I would say we
Yeah.
love you so much. Run away, go and
Alright.
find peace somewhere. Yeah.
As simple as they've said, I don't think that I would also endorse being in a relationship like that. That is way too toxic. If you can talk to him, hallelujah. If not, well, Betway is stepping it up to give their fans even more back with Betway rewards. Whenever you bet on sports or casino, you will earn points that can be converted into cash. It's that easy. The best part is that you can convert whenever you want and can withdraw the funds or use them to place new bets, no strings attached. So start enjoying a whole new way to get rewarded with Betway. Only at betway.com.ga. Terms and conditions apply. Regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. Please bet responsibly. No under 18. Betway. Get way more. But guys, this is the end of today's episode of Broken Pen. Of course, I want to say a big thank you to NK and Adam for coming on. God richly bless you for always coming whenever we call you. Of course, this wouldn't have been possible without Betway, Cowbell Coffee, and Telecel. Telecel says they're giving you 10% more on all of their data bundles. So instead of getting your 190 gigabytes, they're giving you 250 gigabytes. So don't miss out on these enhanced offers. Stay connected with Telecel today. Telecel connecting energies. Again, to our crew backstage, we say a big thank you for making today's show a success. I'll see you same time next week. Thanks to Remain Tabitha. Peace out.